Doing stuff you don't want to. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So alright, new year, new stuff, pushing through all of these things. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So I've really been focused on some certain key things in my life, and I really want to help everyone out there who's trying to learn and improve themselves, technically learning, emotionally learning, whichever one where you are, which you'll probably notice if you're here, you're technical, but you probably also have a lot of emotional debt too. So let's just kind of talk about it. So I did not want to live stream today. So that was basically when like, oh, well, guess what? You need to probably really live stream today. And it was like, yeah, I don't want to. Just wasn't feeling it. But once I started, that became kind of the theme today. And during the live stream, we just kind of sat down here and just started plugging through here. Some of these were old, some of these were new. A lot of them were expanded upon. But this is the secret. Just start. Just start. It's never as bad as you think it is. It's gonna go better than you think it will. You're gonna get a lot more out of it than you ever thought you would. And if you can share any of this with others, you're gonna benefit someone else and you'll get X out of it. 2X, 3X out of it. Because then you'll be explaining it. And if you want to become really exceptional at something, teach it. So just wanted to share this video today real quick with you. Just start. And especially if it's something you don't want to do that thing. Just do it. Just make yourself do it. And you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked how much better you feel about it, and you'll just go, wait a second, it really wasn't that bad. And it's done. I've hated to not that I haven't done this yet, and you're just sitting there and you're just going, why can't I do this? And it's really weird, it's counterintuitive, I know it. And you'll be shocked. But just start. That's the magic. If you look, 99% of people just won't start. So you're going to be better than 99% of the people out there, but you're going to benefit yourself. And then where the real magic happens is when you turn around and you share that with someone else, and you're just going to be, you're like, wow, I really feel so much better. And then you just become unstoppable. In the live stream, I use the analogy of a rocket, train, or a snowball going down a hill. You just become unstoppable. So, all right. Make sure you're checking down in the Discord down below, making sure you're not alone on your journey and you can get all the help that you need and deserve. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.